Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to access Fox Sports online step by step. Whether you want to catch the NFL, MLB, NBA, or UFC, Fox Sports has you covered. You can enjoy live games, highlights, and exclusive shows anytime, anywhere. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to https://www.foxsports.com. Once you're there, click on Sign In at the top right. Choose your TV provider or select Fox Sports app if you're on mobile. Don't have cable? No worries. You can still stream through YouTube TV, Hulu Live, Sling TV, or Fubo TV. Next, let's get the Fox Sports app for your smartphone or tablet. Just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Fox Sports. Tap Download and then open the app. You can sign in with your TV or streaming provider right from the app. Pro tip: the Fox Sports app gives you real-time stats, scores, and alerts for your favorite teams. After signing in, customize your experience by selecting your favorite teams and leagues. Follow live games with real-time stats and watch highlight reels. You can also access on-demand shows like The Herd and Undisputed. Bonus tip: turn on notifications so you never miss a game or breaking news. Now you're ready to stream live sports anytime. Just go to foxsports.com/live or open the app to start watching your favorite events. You can watch on any device, on your laptop or desktop. Just go to foxsports.com. On your phone or tablet, use the Fox Sports app. And for your smart TV or streaming device, download Fox Sports via Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Android TV. And that's it. You've just learned how to stream Fox Sports on any device and never miss a game again. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech and streaming guides.